Do you know any English words, but still feel nervous when someone speaks to you? Maybe you understand the question, but you don't know how to answer quickly. Maybe you think too much before saying a simple sentence, and sometimes you know exactly what you want to say, but your English stops. If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Today, we are going to practice how to have a simple conversation in English. You will listen. You will repeat. And then you will speak. So take a deep breath. Relax. And let's practice together. Welcome back to English Flow Daily. The first step is starting a conversation. You don't need a complicated sentence. You can simply say, "Hi, how are you?" Now repeat, "Hi, how are you?" Good. Another natural phrase is, "How's your day going?" Repeat, "How's your day going?" Very good. You can also say, "How have you been?" Repeat, "How have you been?" These questions are simple, but they are very useful. When you meet someone, you don't need to think about perfect grammar. Just start. Say hello. Ask a simple question and listen to the answer. Now imagine you meet a new friend. You say, "Hi, how are you?" The person says, "I'm good, thanks." Then you can say, "That's great," or "Good to hear that." Repeat, "Good to hear that." Excellent. Now let's talk about yourself. Someone may ask, "Where are you from?" Repeat, "Where are you from?" You can answer, "I'm from Vietnam." "I'm from Canada." "I'm from Japan." "I'm from Brazil." Now your turn. Where are you from? Say your answer. Good. The next question is, what do you do? Repeat. What do you do? You can answer, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in an office. I work from home. I'm a designer. Now choose one. What do you do? Speak aloud. Very good. Now let's make your answer longer. For example, I'm a teacher. I work at a small school. Or, I'm a student. I study English every day. You don't need a long answer. Two simple sentences are enough. One important skill is keeping the conversation going. You can do this by asking another question. For example, someone says, I like music. You can say, what kind of music do you like? Repeat. What kind of music do you like? Great. Someone says, I like traveling. You can ask, where do you like to travel? Repeat. Where do you like to travel? Or, what's your favorite place? Repeat. What's your favorite place? These questions help the conversation continue. You don't need to talk all the time. Ask questions. Listen. Then respond. That's how. Natural conversations work. Now, what should you do? When you don't understand someone, first, don't panic. You don't need to understand every word. You can politely ask the person to repeat. Say, "Could you say that again?" Repeat, "Could you say that again?" Another useful phrase is, "Could you speak more slowly?" Repeat, "Could you speak more slowly?" You can also say, "Sorry, I didn't understand." Repeat, "Sorry, I didn't understand." These sentences are very useful. They help you stay in the conversation. Remember, not understanding doesn't mean your English is bad. It simply means you need more practice. Now let's practice giving your opinion. A very useful phrase is, "I think." Repeat, "I think." For example, "I think it's a good idea." "I think it's interesting." "I think it's beautiful." "I think it's difficult." Now you try. "I think." Complete the sentence. Good. Another useful phrase is, "In my opinion." Repeat, "In my opinion." For example, "In my opinion." English is easier when you practice every day. Now you try. "In my opinion." Take your time. Speak slowly. Very good. Now let's have a short conversation. Listen first. "Hi, how are you?" "I'm good, thanks. How's your day going?" "It's going well." "That's great. What do you do?" "I work from home." "Oh, nice. Do you enjoy your work?" "Yes, I do." "What do you do in your free time?" "I like watching movies and listening to music." That sounds fun. What kind of movies do you like? "I like comedy movies." How about you? "I like action movies." That's a great conversation. Now let's do it again. More slowly. "Hi, how are you?" "I'm good, thanks. How's your day going?" "It's going well." "What do you do?" "I work from home." "Do you enjoy your work?" "Yes, I do." "What do you do in your free time?" "I like watching movies." "What kind of movies do you like?" "I like comedy movies." How about you? Excellent. Now it's your turn. Imagine you meet someone for the first time. Start with, "Hi, how are you?" Then ask, "Where are you from?" Next, ask what they do. Then ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Finally, ask one more question. For example, "What kind of music do you like?" Now you try. Speak for 30 seconds. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Take your time. Keep going. Very good. Now try again. This time, speak for 1 minute. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need simple English that communicates your ideas. Now let's practice shadowing. Listen to me and speak with me. I can have A simple conversation. In English. Again. I can have. A simple conversation. In English. I don't need. Perfect English. Again. I don't need. Perfect English. I can ask questions. Again. I can ask questions. I can answer clearly. Again. I can answer clearly. I can make mistakes. And keep speaking. Again. I can make mistakes. And keep speaking. Every conversation helps me improve. Again. Every conversation helps me improve. Excellent. Today, you learned how to start a conversation, talk about yourself, ask questions, give your opinion, and keep a conversation going. Remember, you don't become confident by waiting. You become confident by speaking. So practice today, practice tomorrow, and keep going. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to English Flow Daily and come back for the next lesson. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking. I'll see you in the next lesson.